Hey, TikTok, this one goes out to you for all those critics who want to say, why do you keep saying that there's historical and textual problems with the New Testament? Instead of saying it, why don't you show us some examples? Well, that would take longer than one TikTok, but here's my first example. 2 Corinthians is actually a set of letters that are predated earlier than 1 Corinthians. What do you mean by set of letters, Pat? That's right. In all likelihood, 2 Corinthians isn't one single letter. It's a series of as many as 6 smaller fragments, which were assembled into one collective account sometime probably between 120 and 140 CE. I don't believe you. You're just making that up. No, that is currently the leading consensus among textual scholars that study the New Testament, both Christian and secular. Assembled by probably Marcion or one of his followers. That's right, Marcion, that big Gnostic and anti-proto-Orthodox guy that everybody hated in the 2nd century. He or one of his followers or someone like him is a leading contender for who assembled some or most of the fragments that are going to be later compiled into what is called 2 Corinthians. Yeah, Gnostics who believed in multiple deities in cases and that the God of Israel was actually an ancient evil God and that there was an earlier, better God and that Jesus was actually the son of that divine being. Yeah, those Gnostics. I don't believe you. Well, what are these fragments? What sections? So just because you've memorized a few of your favorite verses of the New Testament doesn't mean you understand the historical and textual criticism necessary to actually understand the totality of the text.